The rise of the creator economy is one of the defining phenomena of the 21st century. In the world of content creation and influencer marketing, few names shine as brightly as MrBeast. With his unique take on content production, philanthropy, and business strategies, he has revolutionized not just the YouTube platform but also the broader creator ecosystem. One major player that's taken a page out of MrBeast's book is Shopify, the e-commerce giant. Here's how MrBeast's strategies have influenced Shopify's approach to the creator economy. Embracing authenticity. MrBeast's ascent to the pinnacle of YouTube fame can largely be attributed to his genuine persona. He doesn't just create content, he lives it. His over-the-top stunts, massive giveaways, and philanthropic gestures resonate because they feel real. They aren't just well-edited pieces of content. They are sincere moments of joy, shock, and humanity. Shopify, recognizing this, has pushed for greater authenticity in its partnerships with creators. Rather than sticking to the traditional model of sterile corporate sponsorships, Shopify has engaged with creators in ways that feel natural and genuine, allowing them to weave their unique narratives around Shopify's offerings. The power of direct-to-consumer brands. MrBeast doesn't just make videos, he's built a brand. From his burger chain, MrBeast Burger, to his line of merchandise, he's a master of leveraging his influence to build successful D2C direct-to-consumer brands. Shopify, as an e-commerce platform, stands at the forefront of the D2C revolution. Inspired by creators like MrBeast, they've doubled down on offering tools, resources, and education for creators to launch their own brands. This alignment positions Shopify not just as a service provider, but as an enabler of the D2C trend within the creator economy. The role of community. MrBeast's approach to content is inherently community-driven. He often involves his audience in challenges, seeks their input, and crafts content around their preferences. This community-centric approach has fostered a loyal fan base that feels personally invested in his content. Shopify has similarly recognized the importance of community. They've established forums, networks, and educational hubs where entrepreneurs and creators can connect, collaborate, and learn from one another. By fostering a sense of belonging and mutual growth, Shopify amplifies the tenets of the creator economy. Diversifying revenue streams. One lesson from MrBeast's playbook is not to rely solely on platform-specific monetization. From merchandise sales to brand partnerships to his fast food venture, MrBeast has diversified his revenue streams masterfully. Shopify, while primarily known as an e-commerce solution, has expanded its offerings to cater to diverse needs. They've integrated with various third-party apps, offering subscription models, digital products, and even augmented reality shopping experiences. This holistic approach ensures that creators have multiple avenues to monetize their audience, mirroring MrBeast's multifaceted approach. Empowering the next generation. MrBeast's philanthropic endeavors, such as his Team Trees and Team Seas campaigns, are testaments to his commitment to making a positive impact. He doesn't just aim for personal success, he's intent on uplifting others and addressing pressing global issues. Similarly, Shopify's initiatives, like its entrepreneurship programs and educational hubs, empower the next generation of creators. By offering resources, tools, and knowledge, they're ensuring that the creator economy remains robust and inclusive. Evolution is key. MrBeast started as a small YouTuber providing game commentary. His pivot to large-scale stunts and philanthropy was a calculated evolution based on audience preferences and larger market trends. Shopify, too, has evolved. From a simple storefront solution, it has grown into a comprehensive platform, catering to various aspects of the online business ecosystem. This ability to adapt and grow, inspired by creators like MrBeast, ensures longevity in the rapidly shifting landscape of the creator economy. The creator economy is a dynamic space shaped by innovative minds and disruptive strategies. MrBeast's influence, characterized by authenticity, community, diversification, and evolution, offers invaluable lessons for brands and platforms like Shopify. By embracing these principles, Shopify not only supports the current generation of creators, but also paves the way for the future, ensuring that the creator economy continues to thrive in the ever-evolving digital age. Leveraging collaborations for growth, MrBeast has never shied away from collaborating with other creators. These collaborations allow for audience crossover, introducing his content to new viewers and vice versa. By pooling resources and creativity, MrBeast ensures that the content remains fresh and reaches wider audiences. Shopify, recognizing the power of